The founder and former CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, appeared in a Bahamas court today. The 30-year-old faces charges that he defrauded investors out of nearly $2 billion. The arrest causing a ripple effect across the cryptocurrency industry all the way here in Central Florida. News 6 investigator Maris Badcock joins us live in the newsroom with how a local crypto company is responding.
The key takeaway, Julie, not all crypto is created equal. The Biden administration estimates more than 40 million Americans own cryptocurrency, and local crypto business owners who have spent years in the digital assets industry tell me it's important people understand the differences between each cryptocurrency. Now, they hope the FTX fallout pushes lawmakers to consider regulations that protect consumers. The once king of crypto arrested in the Bahamas. Sam Bankman-Fried accused of swindling nearly $2 billion from investors. He's facing 8 criminal charges in the U.S., including wire fraud and conspiracy. Today, SEC regulators sending the message that fraud won't be tolerated, even in a new emerging asset class like crypto.
We already have laws in the books to protect against fraud. At the end of the day, this was fraud.
Orlando resident Perian Boring has spent almost a decade on Capitol Hill advocating on behalf of digital assets like Bitcoin.
Regulators should prosecute aggressively against those who break the law, but to be clear, this was fraud. And that can happen in any industry.
Boring's trade association, the Chamber of Digital Commerce, focuses on teaching lawmakers about digital assets. And for years, she has asked for regulatory clarity in the crypto space.
Because the U.S. has completely failed in offering clarity to businesses, activities moved overseas, and that gave rise to FTX. Had the U.S. created a legal environment that encourages companies to operate here in the United States, we absolutely could have mitigated the amount of investor losses at FTX.
So, is crypto a safe investment? Orlando resident Brian Estes, who runs a highly successful crypto-focused hedge fund, says sometimes.
So a lot of crypto is not a safe investment. There are a lot of scams out there. There's a lot of tokens that are based on any economics. But if you're asking, is Bitcoin a safe investment? I believe Bitcoin's going to be the monetary layer of the world over the next 1,000 years.
Estes made millions investing early in megatrends, things like the internet and smartphone technology. And he believes blockchain technology, the tech that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is the next megatrend.
When we built the internet 30 years ago, we built it incorrectly. There wasn't the software that allowed us to transfer value through the internet. And so we built the internet on top of the banking and credit card system. And that's what blockchain technology fixes. So that's why it's a megatrend. It's the next version of the internet.
For anyone looking to invest, Estes, who spent decades as a traditional financial advisor, says, don't try to time the market. Instead, try dollar cost averaging.
Yeah, so dollar cost averaging is you invest a little bit, every day or every week or every month over time. That's what my daughter does.
Both experts we spoke to tell me, like any investment, educate yourself and do your research. After the show, check out clickorlando.com for resources that can teach you about Bitcoin and blockchain technology, 2 different things, what it is, how to use it, the cons and scams to look out for, and why some say it could reinvent the internet as we know it. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm Maris Badcock. Getting results, News 6.